We're back, another episode on the Civic. Stokes is still on holiday at the moment. Jack might be a bit quiet because he's a bit worse for wear because he did dry January and he's basically last night you drunk enough to catch up, didn't you, mate?
Yeah, making up for lost time.
So anyway, let them know what we're going to do today.
Yeah, as you can see, this is all in pieces still, and we haven't actually received the parts for a lot of it yet. So what we're going to do today, we've got the dashboard, we've got the steering wheel airbag. Yeah. So we're going to get the old dashboard out.
Got the seat belts as well, haven't we? Because the two front belts have locked.
Yeah, so we can get on with the interior while we're waiting for these bits to turn up. Hopefully they turn up on this episode.
Because although Stokes is on holiday, we've still had him while he's been sipping San Miguel's, ordering us parts and that, haven't we, mate, while we're doing the dirty work.
He can't stay away, he needs to feel involved. But yeah, we're going to get crack on with that and then hopefully everything else turns up in the meantime.
Right then.
Let's do it. Easy, isn't it, getting dashes out?
I've had it easier. We only broke this here, but we don't need it anyway.
No, dashboard's scrap now.
Dashboard scrap. Got to change this module, which is down here. We've got to do the seat belts. We're going to get on there. Right.
New day.
New day. Cold. Again. I'm going to take the seats out. We've got to change the clicker because they are pressed down due to the seat belt going tight. The pre-tensioners are, aren't they? Yeah. Or is it that there? Pre-tensioners are gone, so we're going to change that. We have got another set of seats, but these are in better nick, I think, so we're going to stick with these seats. But yeah, welcome back.
The gaffer's back.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Been judging all our work already, hasn't he?
Sam, I thought, did Dave have an axe the other day at one point, taking that off?
No, why? Tell me that I ain't done a good job.
No, you have, but you're very...
But sometimes you've got to do that.
I know, but...
Tell me what that isn't a good job.
Sam, but I thought you, at 1 minute you was going to take the, I don't know, the engine out of it with the hammer.
We were going to have to if we carried on and stitching stuff.
No, you've done a good job, lads. I'm happy.
Good holiday.
Yeah.
Sunny.
Had a bit of clouds. Feels dizzy.
Went to Tenerife for sun and got cloud, didn't you? It was better weather here.
Yeah. Little him fell out the pram and thought he broke his face. But...
You've been kicking him about, man.
Anyway, as
tradition.
As is tradition.
It was all inclusive as well, so I'm a bit bigger.
Oh, is it? Got it free off the dinner
Whoa,
trolley?
no, I bought these.
Right, that's
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's dropped it already.
Delicate.
Right.
Whose mouthful do you have then?
Right. I bought that for Jack because him and his girlfriend will enjoy that because of what they are. Whoa, Dave, easy. It is a torch as well. Yeah, I'll let Jack go. Yeah.
Grab that and begin later.
I
don't know. Is it the trigger that does it?
Nah.
Just do it.
What is it?
Just fucking shoot him.
I am.
Press it. Yeah, I didn't expect it.
She had me in the shop with it. I went, I said, I'm after a laser. Is this a laser? She says, yeah, and taser. And I pulled it.
Who grows these? There's just a field full of dicks.
It's not
What
dick.
is it?
No.
Rotted penis pepper.
No, it's a
penis
pepper.
Yeah, penis pepper.
I said, look, I've got a vegetarian.
Why didn't
friend.
you get me a proper taser so I could have done it and got him
That's
instead of...
why I didn't, because you'd be tasing, so you've tasered yourself. Good though, isn't it? It is a light though. I thought, you know, when we put this dash back in, you can use the light on that.
He's sending it back, I think.
You take your present back and I'll have a different one. How? My present was really thoughtful and you've injured me.
I've got you a gun, Dave. Do you know how hard that was to get through customs? She even asked me to my face, and the missus and little Ronnie's, right? And we all had to say, no, there's no guns or batteries in there.
My little finger's twitching now, though.
Use your little finger. So you can grow that, Jack. You've got a little garden, haven't you?
Put it in my greenhouse.
Yeah.
I'll have that tonight.
I guarantee, right, I bought these flowers for my nan, like rainbow roses. He had a load of bollocks, mate. But that's sort of something.
Thank you anyway.
It's all right,
I'll
mate.
enjoy that.
Right, anyway, Jack had a go about. Jack was slagging you off when you was away, right?
Yeah,
And he said our episode was better because you've got to cut the waffling out. Yeah. And what you're doing right now is waffling. Yeah, this is all going to get cut out.
This will get cut out. So.
The lads have done a lovely job getting that dash out, getting the seats out. We've rebuilt the seats there with the new tensions on the seat belts, new seat belts in, so it's time to get this new dash in the car and this interior back together. Me and Dave.
No.
We're really bright.
No.
Dave brought it up to attention. We're trying to clear an airbag light and we haven't got the seats. Let's plug the seats in.
Did yoga yesterday, no?
No good.
Shit.
Right, so driver's airbag, driver's seat belt tension deployed, front passenger airbag and front passenger, which we've changed all that, haven't we?
Yeah, we've changed them.
Close up in successfully erased returns. Okay. Turn ignition switch off. Turn it on. Yeah, by the time we've figured this out, we can change that. I think we can't. I've tried erasing the codes in the ECU for that, and it just pings them straight back up. So
instead of being a what? A pi key?
I won't be. I was just trying to save a bit of time.
New day, new delivery. We've got part of a loom. Hopefully that's got all the plugs and everything that we need. I think it should do.
For that part.
Although I don't think there's that much, is there? Just a
No, I think we got them to send all of it so we can pick through what we need.
And then this is our corner.
Go on, show 'em, Jack.
So if I take that there, we're basically there. So we need to unstitch all this leg here, all the way down here, and then we've got to do a bit of a repair down here. But hopefully that means we're going to be straight and everything can go back on where it needs to go on.
So me and Jack now are going to spend 3 hours.
Yep, drilling out all these spot welds. But no time, not the present, is
Let's
there?
crack on, mate. As you've just seen, Jack's unstitched this beautifully, right? So now, because this inner panel runs all the way up, we've got to cut this inner panel, which we've just been marking up where we're going to cut this. And then this outer panel then slots into there and spots all in. So literally this L shape here is going to be cut, same on this, that's going to be welded up, the rest is spotted in. Then that will fit there once that's all done and fit all against there. That's that then sorted.
Easy.
Sounds it, doesn't it?
It's going to be easy.
Yeah. So, like, we're going to chop this, chop that, do some
tack it in a couple of places,
and get it in there.
Get busy.
Get busy.
first test fit, haven't we?
Yeah, just
Not
kind
looking
of.
too bad.
No, we've realised it. Like Jack said, when he unstitched it, there's the chassis leg and this top panel to the chassis leg, and this fits in between that. And the old one's been
Torn out.
so we need to just drill that, get the old bit out, and sandwich that between. Speaking of sandwiches,
here.
Late as always.
Yeah, what? Oh, okay. I have a change up here, I do, mate.
You need some overalls, don't you, in a little cupboard?
No, the gaffer doesn't wear overalls, mate. It looks alright, that does, mate.
Yeah, nearly there. Is that alright, Gaff?
That don't go there, though.
Oh, okay, Gaff. I'll ring up Honda and say.
You put that in the wrong place.
No, it don't.
Gaffer says that's in the wrong place.
You didn't take it out, did you? So I know where it goes. Yeah, that don't go there.
Did you not?
No, no.
Why's he spot welded on then?
What?
From factory, why's it spot welded on from factory?
That goes underneath. It doesn't.
It doesn't, apparently,
I did check.
On what?
I checked Gaffer, what it was attached to before.
You don't check nothing, man.
Are we okay to call you Gaffer?
Yeah, of
Do I
course.
have to call you by your first name? Got your sandwich anyway, Gaffer. We didn't want to be
Cheers, mate. Well, I should hope you did get me a sandwich.
I know, because we'd have to sack, wouldn't we, Gaffer? You smell what's under there? Moment of truth. Yeah, we've done what we can do with this panel, so
It's all cut, it's all primered, it's all sanded, everything's ready to go, isn't it?
yeah, and it
Lined everything up.
slots in lovely. There we go. And
See?
that lines up with that lines up with that. Yep, that's all good on the inside.
Did we just get that off from Honda?
Is this a Honda garage?
Is this a Honda garage?
Dave?
It looks alright. It's factory fit, that does.
I wouldn't say fit, factory fit. I'd say it fits okay.
From factory. So it's a factory fit.
Factory fit. That is.
You tell me to be positive.
Don't. You cut me paint. What's got paint in there?
Because it sprays out sticky fur.
I would have broke my nose and he broke your finger. He's saying don't break the lid and he's trying to screw it into my face.
I didn't try and screw it into your face, just tried to get the tip of your nose to go on the paint. You know, you're brown nose enough, so I wanted to clean it.
Yeah.
One glove.
So much?
Weld his hand to it. Technically, Snow,
Yeah,
can we weld your shoulder because it's got a bit of metal in it?
I think it's titanium. I reckon I could wait in for a bit of money, you know. You'd wait, you know, if I died.
Especially with that weight.
You know, if I died, you could wait me in.
For your ashes. Is that what you're saying?
You can wait me
Whoa!
Just saying.
It's a bit deep, Penny, for a Saturday morning.
If he dies.
Fucking went through my fucking jacket, burnt my hair as well, you prick.
It's already been for one sometime today. Don't need another one.
Look! Looks like I've been on the old Zog. Hot rock galore.
What factory?
finally fitted. So we've got this corner bit in. It's took a bit of graft in it, but we've got it done. But now we've got a rusty, which is apparently common on these Civics. lower
Cross-member.
radiator cross-member support, but it is also, it's took a hit in the accident and it is a bit bent, so it was damaged anyway. So yeah, we're going to get this off now because that should be here soon, shouldn't it, Jack?
Hopefully.
Yeah, so then that's our next step. Before we get this corner sorted first, then get on to that. Get that job done, and it's a case of putting this all back together then, isn't it?
Yep.
Did you see the other day, DMO put on that he smashed his SBR?
Yeah, this
and he
was
never,
saying to Jack-
and he never.
And he was trying to promote some fucking bullshit thing.
Take 4. Right, Stokesy stitched this in. I've linished it, and Jack hold this piece of cardboard up while he stone chipped it. So we've all had a part in this little corner here. We've took this off now and exposed how bad the actual. What would you say?
Rust
Cross
and-
member.
yeah, lower cross
Underneath
member.
lower cross member. But if you look, it is actually damaged anyway. So we've got to change it.
We've got a new one coming, haven't we?
Yeah.
Drawn the oil, got the rads out like you've seen, and yeah, just to kind of inspect to see what is entailed in taking this out, and it doesn't
We think that it's 6 spot welds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we're getting good at drilling spot welds.
I'm ace at it.
So I'll have that done about half an
We've
hour.
got all the airbags in that you've seen. But we are having a bit of trouble, aren't we?
Yeah, and we can't. It's hard to get in the car with it on the ramp. So wait
So
until
we're
the
going to
wheels
wait
come
until
back.
the wheels are back from powder coating.
Get it off the ramp. We can sort the airbag.
You ain't going to see anything about the powder coating because Stokes was away last week, and I think he did mushrooms because he was all wavy all week. And he's going to put outtakes in of the videos that he did.
So I've got the wheels city powder coats, as everyone knows. If you want something looking the best, you're gonna have some new shoes on. They're fine. They're absolutely fine.
They're also like this, Stoke.
Well, he
one of
told
them-
me afterwards.
One of them.
You can't have your phone.
One of them was of the steering wheel, and then you just go. Get out. You like film getting out of the car.
So yeah, we have got some paint mixed up, which we're then going to go over these areas and all that cross member. And in the background, yeah.
So we've championship white-ed this because it's like an off-white cream, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a creamy white. But this was black, which we had off a donor car, which, yeah. So it's going to be all. It's going to be all.
Like, follow, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this week.
And hit the bell icon. It all helps, you know what I mean? If you get in the comments, we love the comments. Get in there. Tell us what we're doing right
See you next week.
and wrong. Ta-da.